Well, it has definitely been a minute. Life once again got the better of us, but today we're getting back at it to finish up our never-ending hot shower. Once this shower is finished, we'll be able to take a never-ending hot shower using only 1 gallon of water. So let's get at it.
Whoa!
I'm this tall.
You're that tall? Aww. What? Why is the shower purple?
I don't know.
You don't know?
So it's waterproof?
Oh, is that some sort of cool waterproof stuff going on?
Yeah.
Let's take a look. So this is our shower going in. It's starting to come together. So this is the shower wall that's going to go up?
Yep. Which we're putting it backwards because here's what the other side looks like. It's got like a popcorn texture to it.
I like it.
You like it?
You like popcorn. Don't like popcorn.
So this is more smooth.
So I am just
I like the other side.
hoping that it works because the other side's not necessarily designed to accept the glue.
Yeah, I'm not sure about that.
We're flipping it around, making it smooth, and seeing if it works.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
You don't know? Did Daddy ask for help? Wow.
Daddy told me I can help with something.
Yeah? He needs your expertise?
I'm going to try to be less grumpy through this heat. Today we are working on our shower. We have our purple guard, as I like to call it. It's basically red guard, but it's off-brand. Save a little bit of money just because it's the color purple.
Seriously?
That's exactly what it is, yep.
Well, we like purple around here anyway, don't we? Like
Yeah.
This is a little tool I made to scribe, and I need you to help me scribe, okay? So come in here, come inside, buddy. Right here, you're gonna push this tool all the way against the wall and just trace. Can you do that for me?
Okay.
Push it all the way against the wall, yep. And trace. That's called scribing. And now I'll be able to cut that exact dimension and it should work.
This is my clip from Halloween.
Yeah, is it like a crown, a tiara?
Yeah, it's kind of like a tiara. And I won it for a game at church.
That's so cool.
Can't put it back in.
I'll help you in a minute, okay? Alexa, can you believe that we're getting so close to being able to shower inside of a van?
Yeah.
That's so weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
Chloe,
What?
did you make yourself a tiara?
Yeah.
That's beautiful. All right, go show Daddy.
Daddy, I made me a tiara. Daddy, I made me a tiara.
Chloe, that is beautiful. Good job, buddy.
Thank you. It kind of
Okay.
looks like Wonder Woman's tiara.
It does look like Wonder Woman. Are you Wonder Woman?
No.
Who are you?
Chloe.
Chloe.
How about Wonder Chloe?
Wonder Chloe. I love it.
So, we are committed because the glue is on this side.
Hopefully it works.
Hopefully it
Or we're
works.
gonna have to buy a new shower.
Well, the trowel that I'm using is applying twice as much adhesive as is recommended, so as long as we don't run out of adhesive, it's going to grip, it's going to hold. Just might take longer to cure. So yeah, the challenge is because the walls are curved, making sure it properly adheres and doesn't fall off. So. Stick and don't come off.
It's looking good.
Oh, it's hot. Someone turn on the air conditioning.
Yeah, I know. That should have been the first thing we did.
Oh. Need our battery bank. There you go.
We did it.
Now we gotta do the seat for the toilet seat.
We're doing that today?
Oh yeah, doing it right now.
Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. You're painting the van?
Yeah.
Wow, that is a big job.
Can't have any lumps.
No lumps, huh? Is that what Daddy said?
No. I just thought no lumps.
Yeah. When you want to take a break, then you can show me the toy box if you like that.
Okay.
Oh wow, Daddy, you should show me the cool thing you're working on too.
Oh yeah. So this is the result of not making a plan. I always make a plan. No, I had planned to put the propane tank here, but then as things started filling up, I ran out of space because you have to have it fully boxed in with a massive hole punched through the floor because the propane tanks will leak, and thankfully propane is lighter than air. So you drill a big hole and it falls through the floor. So I had to get a little creative and build a suspended box that this guy will fit into. It fit a second ago. I swear it fit.
It just fit. You showed me earlier. What happened?
It just shrunk.
Something about the paint made the wood shrink? Is that even possible?
No. It took me like 4 hours to make.
Now you have to undo it. I'm sorry.
That's okay. The shower's completely done.
Shower. Woo!
It was purple, but now it's white.
Yeah, it was purple, now it's white. Can I stand in it now?
Yep. Lots of room.
Ah.
You can actually, it actually works.
You're a weirdo.
Oh, some water just came out.
Yeah, it's a shower.
Oh my gosh, it's leaking. Whoop.
Right.
Okay. Oh man, have you got in here side to side?
Yep.
It's a little tight.
Nah, it's plenty big.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
You have to be smarter than the door.
Did it. It's good. Okay. Oh, is this the toy box?
Alexa, you're doing really good, buddy.
Thanks.
You having fun?
Yeah.
You like helping Daddy work on the van?
Yeah. I'm coming in the van with shoes on. I can see what you're doing. I'm painting the van.
And then you paint. All right. Have fun. You get to clean up and paint and burn.
Yeah, thanks.
All right, I am super pumped because we finally get to test out the shower properly. It's kind of run a little bit here and there, but the power source that I have right now is not strong enough to run the pump and ignite the gas propane. But I just wired up this little guy. My brother recommended this to me. It's a AC to DC converter, 30 amp maximum, whatever that means. And this is starting to look a little sketchy, but it works. The only problem now is that I can't test the shower because we're on a slope. Since I'm parked in the driveway, all that water kind of runs away from the drain. So I'm gonna repark onto the street and test this out. I have a special job for you, Chloe. You sit right here on the floor and make sure nothing falls over, okay? Nothing's really tied down right now.
Stay there, okay?
All right.
All right.
Let's try the shower
Now we're
out.
gonna test the shower. We had to make it level. You find some bubble wrap?
I found it in the box.
Yeah, we got some new deliveries today, didn't we? We got solar panels.
Did we get a new bike?
A new bike? No, you have a bike. What are you doing?
I'm filling up the shower.
Oh my goodness. That seems like a bad idea.
I just had water with me, so.
Watch Daddy.
So normally, you would fill it up by pressing a button and
It's
pumping water from the fresh
draining.
tank to the tank under there, but I had a bucket of water with me, so here, watch out, Alexa. You check the level. We are full. Actually, a little bit too full. So, since we're a little bit too full, I'm gonna let a little bit of the water out. Actually, I haven't tested that yet. Alexa, go see if the van is peeing.
It's working. I hear it.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Cool.
And it's peeing. Let me see it pee.
Oh gosh, why did you start that with them?
You can set the temperature. Let's say we're gonna have a 106 degree shower. There you go.
Okay.
All right, who's nervous?
Me.
I'm not.
Should we put Ellie the elephant in there to take a shower? Just kidding. Woo!
All right.
That's good pressure, Elise.
Yeah, don't get the camera wet.
I won't.
In theory, the water is draining into the tank beneath, sucking up out of that tank, pumping through a series of filtration, going into the heater again, and coming out the shower. So in theory, this should be a never-ending shower, always set at the perfect temperature.
Hypothetical.
Let me
Hypothetical.
touch it.
It's working.
Is it warm?
I'm gonna let it run for a few minutes,
Okay.
just because I want to see.
The shower works.
But I am pretty proud of that. That's my first plumbing job.
It's like
A
also your own
never-ending hot
invention.
shower.
It's not just a plumbing job. Don't be modest. It's your own invention.
It's not, I wouldn't call it an invention. I've just put parts together.
Well, it's not been done before, right?
I think there's a couple people who have done it before, but not like this. Not with. I've never seen it done with an instant gas hot water heater like this.
Me neither. I made
Yeah, you've never
it,
seen anything
huh?
like that before, huh?
All right, I'm just
I mean,
gonna-
and you're a
I'm gonna
very
run around
experienced plumber.
and test all the systems.
Right, Alexa?
I even helped cut a pipe.
Wow. That's really all you need to know for plumbing.
So this is the magic of the system right here. This is the filtration system. So the water is running through this filter, two filters simultaneously. And you can actually pull them out, and it's still pumping through. And this way, when you are maybe once a month or so, you can take these out and clean them just to make sure the pressure stays good.
Sounds good.
Proud
It's
of
a
that.
very,
I'm proud of
very complex system that you
Oh,
worked
yeah.
really hard on.
This is the
Very proud.
better try it out. This is the outdoor shower. Ready?
Woo! So we'll hook up like a hose or something to that,
Yep.
right? Or
So
like a
that
little
will actually
shower
come
head.
out the exact same temperature, and now it's leaking, of course. But that's pretty cool.
That's pretty awesome. Very, very proud of you. That's really cool. Great job.
Mommy, do you see me do a triple whistle slut?
Yeah. Whoa! Do it again. Whoa! That's really cool, sweetie.
Tigers do this to their baby. That's to carry their babies.
Yeah, that's funny.